Walter Benjamin predicted that mechanical reproduction would erode what he called a work's aura, a kind of cultural fingerprint linking it to its origins, rituals, and history. He couldn't imagine how far this would go, not just copying art or artifacts, but algorithmically generating new ones with no need for an original at all. Today, deepfakes and AI art don't simulate the aura. They create it from scratch, without a source image, without a human artist, without even a clear authorship trail to follow. It's epistemological. We are no longer in a world where facts can anchor meaning, because fakes can now be more functional than truth. If a piece of content performs better, sparks action, clicks, engagement, even if it's false, that's how we define its value. The death of the original is not an accident. It's a feature of the system. Welcome to the illusion factory, where authenticity is no longer a quality, but a product, manufactured, curated, and optimized for maximum trust. You see it in filters that mimic film grain, in AI-generated handwriting with feigned smudges, and in music production software that adds random timing errors as if they were human. We once trusted the original because it carried an imprint of its makers. But now we trust fakes because they are too perfect to feel real. The glitch is not a flaw, it's a feature. We've outsourced sincerity to software. Instagram filters are not just for beauty. They're tools of persuasion, designed to trigger the same neural shortcuts that once made a handwritten letter feel more intimate than a typed one. We want authenticity to look like effort, even when it's automated. The illusion factory is busy turning trust into a design element, and we keep buying the product. Roland Barthes once said that in a photograph you hold that has been proof of existence, captured in time. A photo was a wound in reality's surface. But when the image is no longer derived from light hitting film or pixels recording physical space, but generated by algorithms that never saw anything at all, what does it mean for authenticity? The camera lucida offered truth through absence. Now we have truth through suggestion, through plausibility alone. The photograph once claimed to be a document. Barthes once described a pipe in a painting as not just an object, but a sign, which could mean something other than itself. But the algorithm's pipe is no sign. It's just pixels, made to look like wood and grain and smoke. It never smoked anything, and yet we stare at it. We respond to it. Why? Because authenticity has detached from origin and now depends on something else. Psychological plausibility. The punctum, that little wound in the viewer's eye, is no longer guaranteed by reality. Now, it's engineered.
Statistical models are blueprints of reality, but without effective visualization, their insights remain inaccessible.
Neil Postman warned that technopoly doesn't just replace old tools. It replaces the values those tools represented. In his book, he shows how systems like standardized testing or algorithmic diagnostics don't just measure intelligence or health. They redefine what it means to be intelligent or healthy in the first place. When truth becomes a technical specification, we trade mystery for certainty and let machines decide what counts as real. This isn't progress, it's substitution. As AI produces increasingly convincing fakes, we may reach a point where authenticity becomes belief itself. The last thing left that feels real is the idea that something could be real at all. We no longer need original documents or first-hand experience, just data points aligned with our expectations. Postman saw this coming when he noted how machines don't just answer questions. They decide what questions are worth asking in the first place.